People leave traces of who they are. You're just not picking up the sign.
Exactly. I see it all the time. People get hooked with this pattern of behavior between one person and the next person. They kind of just hook up because they don't recognize that this person comes with a set of patterns and you come with a set of patterns. My company is called the Patterns of Possibility for that reason. Recognize those patterns and change it into a new possibility. And this is how you do it. First, my name's Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach, and I want to help you make more meaningful connections in your personal and professional life. The way to do it is to ground yourself and understand who you are and how you feel about everything that you experience. Because once you recognize that feeling and you stop ignoring it, then you can do something about it. Because what happens and allows the pattern to continue to run is you have a feeling and you ignore it and the pattern runs. You have a feeling and you ignore it and the pattern runs. But when you have a feeling and you don't ignore it and you decide to do something about it, you can make a change.